Hello and welcome guys. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can record Microsoft Teams meeting, whether it is class or client call or any team discussion. So let's see who can record a Microsoft Teams meeting. As per Microsoft article, as you can see, if you have any of these license like E1, E3, E5, F3, any of these license, you can record the Microsoft Teams meeting. Okay. Then make sure your recording is enabled by your IT admins because in some organization IT admin restricted the access of Teams recording. Okay, and make sure you are not a guest in this meeting. Okay, so let's see how you can record the Teams meeting. So I have started this meeting. To record this session, you just have to click here on these three dots. Just click here. Then you will see this option, record and transcribe, and then you have to click here, start recording. If you are first time recording, it will prompt this dialog box to select your language. Just confirm this. Now your recording has been started and you can see here it is AI generated transcription. Whatever you speak in the meeting, it will type here and then you can then download all this transcription as well. If you want to stop this meeting, again you have to click here, more options, go to transcribe and record and select stop recording. Again click on stop. Now your recording has been stopped and you can now end the meeting. Now if you want to download this meeting, you just have to click on OneDrive because your meeting will be saved here. If you can see, there's a recent Teams recording you can see here, but we have to click here, My Files. In My Files, there is a folder recordings. Click here. This is our recording we have just created. Just click select the recording. Now click here on these three dots. Now select this download. Thanks for watching this video. Just give a thumbs up if you like this video and make sure subscribe this channel to get latest video notification. See you in next video.